been a wonderful trip so far. I never imagined na makapunta ako sa Davao simply because yun nga, hindi siya sikat na tourist place in the Philippines. And it's also my parang break because yun nga, I resigned from my last job, and before going into my new work, parang gusto ko naman ng isang, you know, long trip na I get to reflect on what I'm doing. So far, this trip has been worth it din kasi nga, ayun, I get to enjoy and view the beauty that is our country. Wow.
Davao Oriental occupies the southeastern section of Mindanao and the easternmost province of the Philippines. As a matter of fact, it houses the easternmost point of the Philippines where the sun rises first. Napakaraming promising tourist destinations dito gaya nga ng Pusan Point, Dahican Beach sa Mati, San Victor Island sa Baganga, at Aliwagwag Falls sa Katiil. At ang UNESCO World Heritage Site ang Mount Hamiguitan Wildlife Sanctuary. Ang ganda sa Davao Oriental. Beyond its stunning tourism sites, Davao Oriental takes pride in its rich and vibrant culture. Several indigenous tribes still thrive across the province. Sa katunayan nga, ang aming driver for the entire trip na si Makmak is a proud member of Davao Oriental's Mandaya tribe. Davao Oriental will amaze the travel junkies of its beautiful coastlines and breathtaking mountains. We arrived in Mati, Davao Oriental. Dito na rin gaganapin ang third main match of the season. Hello guys, so mag-recap muna tayo ng pieces. Aid, Byron, and Robbie have 2 pieces each. Carl and Chano have 3 pieces each. And Kyle has a whopping 11 pieces. Expedition leader JB has 3 pieces. Molen has 2 pieces. And Dirk, Sai, and Jive nanganganib at 1 piece each. Maging competitive kayo. Speaking of pagiging competitive, we're going to open kasi sabi ng prison guards, we're going to open the floor. Kung meron sa inyo gustong magbigay ng piece sa kahit kanino, kailangan nyo lang i-publicly state yung inyong decision. And mag-start siya before tayo mag-start ng main match kasi bawal magbigay ng piece kapag main match na. Pero sinasabi ko lang sa inyo na kahit ilan pa yung pieces na hawak nyo, pag give up nyo yung iba, pwedeng katapusan nyo na. So, meron ba dito sa team na gustong magbigay ng kanyang piece? Yes, Kyle.
Thanks, Kyle.
Thanks, Kyle.
Sino bibigyan mo ng piece? For Jive. Jive, you now have 2 pieces.
Thanks, Kyle. Funds. Anyone else?
Anybody else? Going once. Going twice. Close ng ating pagiging Santa Claus sa isa't isa. Okay? Kasi syempre pag mapagbigay ka para kang si Santa Claus. Welcome to the third main match, and this is called Bad Santa.
Oh, okay.
Wala. They were playing Bad Santa. So, there will be 11 envelopes with the following prizes inside. So, meron tayong dalawang blue envelope. Yung isa dyan, pwede ka manalo ng 2 match pieces. Yung isa naman is, may choice ka. Either 500 pesos plus 1 match piece or 1,000 pesos.
Ay, syempre. What the blue one?
Hindi natin alam kung alin dyan. Okay, next. Meron tayong 6 na puti na envelope. Walang penalty, walang reward. And merong 3 penalty envelopes. So, yung isa dyan, lose all your pieces except 1. For example, meron kang 5 pieces, isa na lang matitira sa'yo. Another one is lose a piece, and another one is lose 2 pieces. Hindi natin sure kung alin dito. Lose all your pieces.
Malalaman ko kung ano yung envelope na ano.
So, for example, si Kyle, he has 10 pieces. 1 na lang matitira.
So pag ako nakakuha niya, walang magagawa.
Walang magagawa. The expedition leader, JB, come here sa front.
Take a bow.
As the expedition leader, JB must now distribute the envelopes according to his liking. Kanino kaya niya ibibigay ang mga reward envelopes? Neutral envelopes at penalty envelopes. Magkakaalaman na ng totem pole ni Expedition Leader JB.
Bring niya 1, 2 yung blue, 3 to 8 yung white, tapos yung mga penalty envelopes is 9, 10, 11. So, alin dito muna yung gusto mong envelope? Mamili ka muna.
Yung thought process nga ni JB. Kanina mo ibibigay yung blue,
Yung thought
white.
process ko kasi alam kong may something pa after this envelope eh. So, doesn't matter kung kunin ko yung 1. So, I'm taking a white.
So, anong number?
4.
4. Okay.
So yung no penalty, no reward? Like,
No penalty, no reward.
Walang. Okay. Kanino mabibigay number 1 na envelope?
Unahin ko na yung tatlin ko. So, since gusto ni Chano lagi ng Sasha.
Ay.
Bawal i-open yung envelope. Number 2.
May switch kasi may switches pa to eh. So,
Binigay ni Expedition Leader JB ang blue cards sa kanyang teammates na sina Chano at Robbie. Safe or white cards naman para sa teammates niyang sina Aid at Carl at side allies na sina Byron, Molen, and Dirk.
Dirk? Okay, yung mga penalty, 9.
Penalty envelopes ang binigay niya kina Jive, Kyle, and Sai. Good luck po.
pero like, sobrang madami. Mag-aagawan to eh. So, most likely doesn't matter kung ano yung gusto.
Game proper. Player number 1 will roll a die. Tapos he will do an action depending on the result of the die. For example, I roll the die. I got 1. I'm going to steal any envelope. Makikipagpalitan ka.
Starting with Chano, then clockwise, they will roll a die. Kapag 1 ang lumabas, they must steal someone else's envelope at iswap sa hawak nila. Kapag 2 ang na-roll, everyone must pass the envelopes to the right. Kapag 4 naman, everyone must pass the envelopes to the left. Kapag 6 ang na-roll, kailangan niyang pagpalitin ang magkaibang kulay na envelopes ng 2 tao.
So white and red. Parang hindi na umitit yung red sa akin. I'm going to swap tayo. Yes. To Dirk.
Kyle and Dirk, please swap. Dirk now has a red card.
To be honest, ang hirap mag-strategize kasi walang halos gusto makipag-work sa akin kasi parang nagkaroon na agad ng early groups na parang mga units and alliances na magkaka-work. So parang ako naiwan na lang ako.
2. Pass your envelopes to the right.
2.
Pass your envelopes to the right.
Iniwan na dati.
3. Sakto lang. For someone to lock.
Oh my God!
Malalak ang envelope na hawak if the die rolls 3 or 5. Kapag 3, the person who rolled the die must lock someone else. Ibig sabihin, kung ano ang currently hawak nitong envelope ay sa kanya na. Pwedeng aggressive move na mag-eliminate ng someone na may hawak na red o penalty envelope.
or maging pa-safe na move at i-lock ang neutral or reward envelope ng ka-alliance niya.
Please.
Ako, Dirk, kahatian kita ng money.
Dirk, bigyan kita ng 1 piece mamaya. Next game.
Kasi talaga,
Ako naman ito. Ako, Dirk.
Walang harm.
Pagsimula.
Kasi kung iikot yung pula, sa'yo makuha.
Pag ready ka na, Dirk, tayo ka.
Okay, saan mo
Dirk, 75% ng money. I'll give you the match.
Dapat dito talaga sa kanya.
Dirk.
I'm locking JB's.
JB's envelope is now locked.
Masaya. Ang strategy ko going into this game was to be safe.
3
Same.
for someone to lock
More than 50.
their envelope.
50-50 mo rin sa money.
So habang hindi ka pa decided
Anything.
na po ka lang.
250 or 500 meron ka.
Kasi tingnan si Robin na lang.
Mole.
Ay, hindi rin.
Or kung match pieces, sure no one.
8
So much.
white envelope.
Buti safe na ako ngayon. Thank you, Mole.
Again, pag naka-roll na lahat.
Let's go number 5! Number
5 Carl lock blue envelope.
Ano ka sa akin mo?
Gusto ko lang ang swerte, ang swerte. Ang swerte.
Envelopes, the rest are white.
White envelope.
Okay lang, walang blood, it's fine, I'm happy.
But no reward, no penalty.
3 for someone.
For someone to lock their
Ay, tatlong red pa lang.
To force lock side.
side. Which means lock na ngayong red envelope.
Ay,
You can go to the
pieces except for
bold move.
Ano ba? Eh, di walo. Good luck. May red pa naman sa kanya.
Pass your envelopes to the left.
Palibutan talaga ako.
Robbie next.
This is not the middle gaming that I expected.
For someone to lock. For someone to lock his card. Whose card are you going to lock?
Lock mo na yung red pick. Lock na sa Kasi dalawa. Parang wala na tayong red. Mag-lock ka na ng red.
Huwag sa inyo.
White na lang lock.
Hindi, kasi ikot pa
Hindi ikot yan sa akin eh. Mas okay na isa na lang yung ikot na red. I'm so sorry, Mole. I'm so sorry, Mole.
You're locking Molen. Molen is now the owner of the red.
Abangan natin kung ano yung labas. Kung pwede pong bumawi.
Surprise Miss Ray. Sure.
One.
Still and
envelope.
Yan as smart as
Yung red.
Well, the game is not yet over.
Kyle and Dirk.
Para may leverage
swap
kayo.
envelopes.
Jive. 4 Please pass your envelopes to the left.
1.
Steal a card.
I think still mo yung red. Balik tayo.
Cloud Chaser.
6. Yung stop sa akin.
I see Chano and Robbie. I see Chano and Robbie.
Pwede.
If they can do, go. They can. Kasi para umikot ang blue.
Chano and Robbie swap cards. Robbie is now the holder of the blue envelope.
5.
Oh my God!
Robbie has locked the second blue envelope.
I'm so sorry sa mga kay Mole.
5
Congrats.
Jive has locked white card. No reward, no penalty. 3 people left.
Lose 1 piece, 2 piece, saka yung
2.
Everyone pass your envelope to the right.
Kyle.
Ay! 3!
Lock. For someone to lock his door.
Paano exciting ang next round?
Kasi ang mga magsi-survive round 10 ever.
What do you mean?
Kung walang matatanggal, kung pagdala.
Sino yung mag-survive round?
Sino kaya ang mas pipiliin ni Kyle na maging safe? Si Tiano o si Dirk?
Pwede ba yun? Kasi pwedeng magpalit ay magbigay. Kaya,
I just to lock Chanos.
Chano's card is locked. Chano has a white card. Neutral, no reward, no penalty. We're now down to Kyle versus Dirk. Dirk. Kapag may swap lang.
Wala, safe si Dirk.
3 for someone to lock.
For someone to lock.
Kyle now locked a red envelope. Dirk locks the white. Lahat tayo dito wala.
I'm so stressed. Para ano.
Yung white may naman pala.
Para all eyes are on me.
Labat may limapi.
Nauga ako.
Ano pala, offer to?
Parang na.
Guys, wala magbubukas. Alright, Carl, please open your envelope. And what does it say?
Okay, 2 match pieces.
2 match pieces. Congratulations. Carl now has 5 match pieces.
Pesos.
2 match pieces and a target.
Robbie, please open your blue envelope.
500 pesos plus 1 piece or 1,000 pesos.
So Robbie, what do you choose?
According to the great Angelica Panguniban, ang pera natin, marami pa. Pero ang match pieces, upos na upos na.
Kasi 1 na naman.
So I'm taking 500 pesos and 1.
1 na naman.
Robbie now has 3 match pieces. Congratulations.
Sa mga nakakuha ng white, you're all safe. Walang reward, wala naman ding penalties.
And I got my favorite number, so...
Congrats.
Sa round na yon, ang goal ko was to survive that round na hindi nababawasan yung pieces ko.
Lines will be drawn.
White is matatalo.
Ayun, my main strategy going in is just talk to people. I feel like this kind of game, pag lakbe siya, ang like kong strategy dito is control what you can control. And what you can control is how you talk to other people, how you build relationship, how you connect. Tumabi ako sa mga kaya ko talagang maka-work, and sabi ko na kahit white envelope lang saling napunta sa akin, okay na. Tapos nag-promise din ako na parang, kapag napunta sa akin yung ganyang envelope, I will not give it to you, parang ganon.
Maalala sa blue and red envelope.
Ano yung white? Yung wala naman. You can control your luck by targeting people.
Before, yung lock inside.
Sai!
Wait mo lang.
Hindi, kasi ikot pa yun.
Hindi ikot yan sa akin eh. Mas okay na isa na lang yung ikot na rin. I'm so sorry, Mole.
You're locking Molen. Molen is now the owner of the red.
And in a way, kapag napunta sa akin yung position na I really have like to lock someone na may red envelope, hindi ko gagawin.
Sai has 1 piece. So Sai, please open the red envelope and say it out loud.
Lose a pizza.
Lose a piece, which means Sai, you're the second person eliminated the Devil's Plan Davao edition. Thank you so much for joining Devil's Plan, Sai.
Ano ba? Final words, sabi ko naman kanina, diba? Malaki yung chance na matanggal. So, expect ko na. And bala na si Drake. Kasi, feel ko naman na target na kami simula ng day 1 pa lang. So, and tinatamad din ako mag-social. I want to enjoy kung social sa trip lang and not for the games. Rooting ako dun sa mga One Piece na lang kasi underdog din. Like nung sa The Devil's Plan na series itself. Yung matatanggal yung mga nag-group din. Na-enjoy ko naman siya and enjoy ko pa rin kahit natanggal na ako sa trip na ito. And feeling ko mas ma-enjoy ko siya kasi wala namang matatarget sa akin.
Mollen has 2 pieces left and then Kyle has 10 pieces. So meron na lang tayong lose 2 pieces or lose all your piece but 1.
Yes,
if you want,
correct. If you both want to survive.
I still remember Robbie giving this.
And I still remember you nominating me on the question.
Mollen, please open your card.
Lose 2 pieces.
Which means, Mollen, you're the 3rd person eliminated the Devil's Plan. Thank you so much for joining, Mollen. Which means, Kyle, what did you get? Lose all your pieces except 1, which means your 10 pieces is now down to 1 piece, Kyle.
Well, very sad kasi I got eliminated while them enjoying yun, narinig sila. Wala, ako kasi parang gusto kong very competitive, so it sucks to get eliminated and gets din naman yung reason na paglaki ng Red sa akin. Since onti na lang din yung players and they're playing a safe game, ayun, yun lang, it sucks to be not in the games and mahaba pa yung trip. Feeling ko as the game progresses, mas magdodraw talaga yung lines. Parang it's not just about strategy din, pagalingan, may luck involved din, and of course social, to try and negotiate with your other co-players. Rooting for Byron because siya yung closest co-player ko dito sa game. And then kay Kyle na from 11 down to 1. So sana makabawi siya. And from OG group ko din siya. So I'm rooting for both of them.
Parang wow, nakagulat kasi ang daming tokens ni Mollen as in, tas nawala siya. I was really sad kasi Mollen got eliminated and yun, nagsabihan nga kami na we wanted to go far together, if possible, final 2, ganyan. And we really have a good working relationship also. I mean, I guess it was me, JB, and Mollen talaga that are working together. But yun, I was really sad and surprised. This game can only tell us na your game, your luck, your trajectory can change this quick.
Yes, Kyle. Sino bibigyan mo ng piece? For Jive.
We were working together with Kyle. So, Robbie, ako, and si Kyle. So, kaming tatlo, parang nag-stick together kami and we plan to work together. And then, nakuha nga ni Kyle yung 10. Tapos, nag-11 siya. Although, ang plan that was laid out lang was kung sino man ang matalo sa amin ni Robbie at that time, was bibigyan niya ng isang chip. Since, kung sino yung manalo dun sa Paint Me a Picture Challenge, magkakaroon naman ng additional chip. So, yun na yung naging plan namin.
Like ako nakaharap sa grupo. Alam ko naman.
Greedy Santa round na kung sino man sa amin ang matitirhan ng 1 chip, yun yung isi-secure namin and bibigyan namin ng additional chip. And in that case, ako yun kasi talo kami sa Paint Me a Picture. That's why nag-decide si Kel na ibigay sa akin yung isang chip sa 11 niya.
Kasi tinatanong ako ni Shano, bakit si Jive ang binigyan mo? Eh, ang alam niya, ako yung bibigyan mo. Oo. Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya na parang, baka, bibigyan ako. Okay, sana. Pinapakonfirm niya sa akin. Bakit daw si Jive yung binigyan mo? So, mag-isip ka na lang, sabihin ko na. Wait lang. Pero ang reason ay,
natanggal ko sa relator, I was like, thank God.
Medyo disappointed ako kay Chano dahil sa inyo binigay yung red envelope.
Laughing side.
So, yun yung naging cause dahil nailimin si Sai dahil isa na lang yung piece niya.
Ano pa alam naman tinanggal ni Chano si Sai?
It doesn't matter kasi tatanggalin kita. So, medyo nakaka-disappoint lang kasi never pa kaming nanalo ng reward na strip off si Sai ng chance para manalo ng reward by eliminating.
So sad for Molen as well kasi kasama ko siya sa aking original tribe and I can see myself working with him, but yeah, so sad.
Ay, may nagsuggest lang, narinig ko yung Robbie. May nagsuggest lang.
Robbie! You're a trade off.
Sa akin yung pera nyo. Hindi, ipayagan ka niya. Papayagan ko din siya.
May choice pa nilang mag-vote.
May reject ba?
Oh my God! I know!
Ito lang namin. Pinakit na kami. My God. Kapapresyon sa Pilipinas.
Alam nyo, nasa isip ko lang, hello, first time ko na sumali and sumama sa trip. So baka naman hindi ako targeted. So ako yung target friend. So sabi ko, I will make it my mission tanggalin nag-target sa akin. So ayun. Muna yung red flag.
Wait mo lang ito.
Hindi, kasi ikot pa.
Hindi, ikot yan sa akin eh. Mas okay na isa na lang yung ikot na red. I'm so sorry, Molen.
Molen, you're the third person eliminated the Devil's Plan.
Yung reaction ko nung natanggal si Molen.
I think
namin kanina yung possibility na what if matuloy yung hindi matanggal si Molen tapos tatlo yung matira with
ko wise
Molen, Sai, and Dirt.
Pag-iwalayin si Sai at si Dirt. Pero minsan matanggal si Molen, baka ma-threaten sila.
Lalo na kasi alay namin si Molen. So medyo nawalan kami ng number.
Yung maganda yung position mo. Yung Byron kasi gitna.
Si Byron lang yung nag-games ka. Kada siyang masyadong strategic na game next. G na G siya sa
medyo malakas yung side nila.
Mahilig mag-game.
Medyo malakas yung side nila.
Ako kasi dina-download ko lang si Byron yung G na G. So
they have to go.
Yun nga, since natanggal na rin si Molen by this time, I think I can really leverage on working with Byron to get the others to work with me as well. Kasi alam ko kilala niya rin yung other people bilang active siya sa org.
Natatakot ako sa swerte ko ngayon. Hindi natatakot ako kaya parang I'm treading safely.
Mas makakapag-isip ako.
Ang laki ng lock factor. Yun nga, I'm treading safely.
Yun ang favorite main match ko so far. Pero guys,
ako rin.
Ang saya, exciting.
Kasi na-expose na rin yung mga mo.
Oo.
Pero ang saya ng mga main match.
So
Very Devil's Plan.
Byron, Carl, JB, Tano, Aid, Robbie, Chive, Dirk, and Kyle. So that wraps up day 3 of Devil's Plan. Congrats on surviving. Lines are drawn na nga talaga sa umaatikabong Davao's Plan game.
Oo, parang I'm not sure if kung ako yung nasa other side, yun din nagagawin nila.
Parang nagkampiyanan yung mga same sides eh. Kinabahan kaya ako nun kasi nasa gitna.
Yun ang maganda eh, alisin mo na agad yung mga red. At least pag nalisin yung mga red, safe na kayo.
Actually tama yung sinasabi nila, narinig yung sinasabi nila na pag nakalock ka na, ilock mo na yung mga red. Nilock siya ni Dirk.
Pinilit ko lang si Dirk.
Oh, dapat
well, tama. Valid yung kay Dirk kasi para hindi makalipat yung red.
Walang valid na ano. Para hindi makalipat yung red, ilock mo yung red. Ayun lang yun eh.
Kaso si Dirk ang may hawak ng red.
Kaso yung dalawang red kasi
yung mga Dirk o nasa allies niya.
Hindi niya ilalak si Sai.
Na kay Jive, na kay Dirk.
Ay hindi, kay Kyle.
Kaya dapat kay Robbie na lang.
Oo, kung nasa akin yan, ako yung lalak.
Ang swerte nga rin.
Yun yung valid strategy doon.
Ilak mo na lang yung red.
Ilak mo na yung agad yung red.
Para pag ano na, pag wala na yung red.
Wala na, we're safe. Ganun, we're safe lahat.
Pero kahit nag-aalab na in-game, patuloy pa rin naman ang adventure sa bawat pag-usad ng travel. Paano yun?
Ayoko na.
The group went around and explored Mati, a coastal city which serves as Davao Oriental's capital. Ang ganda ng baywalk nila, sarap maglakad-lakad. May active street food night market pa sa labas. We also dined in one of its recommended restos, Xiami Restaurant.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, sorry.
Ang mga players who were down to their last piece ay pinapunta muli sa prison. Ito ay sina Dirk and Kyle. Bailamos is wrong.
Ano na kayo? Magbagay lang ako sa ako. Anong mangyayari if ilalagay pa rin sa Bailamos? Bailamos lang din yung narinig ko.
Jet plane is wrong.
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye.
The next day, we explored more of Mati's wonders, Dahican Surf Resort,
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about
Dahican Beach,
every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning.
Dahican Beach sa Mati. Sobrang ganda ng beach and feeling ko ang sarap-sarap mag-surf dito. But yeah, the overall vibe nung Dahican Beach and Dahican Beach Resort, sobrang ganda. Relaxing.
The Sleeping Dinosaur, Davao Oriental Provincial Capital, and Subangan Museum, ang magiging center ng next prize match ng game.
May idea ba kayo? Ano ba yung Subangan? Ba't pa Subangan yung name? Wala. Okay. Actually, tama si sir. Yung Subangan means east or sunrise. Yes po. So bakit ba siya Subangan? Kasi dito po sa Davao Oriental nangyari ang first millennium sunrise, Pusan Point, Municipality of Caraga, Davao Oriental. Every 4 a.m., nag-start na talaga yung sunrise dito. So, kasi easternmost part of the Philippines siya. Okay, so that's why po, Davao Oriental is the sunrise capital of the Philippines. Okay, so after po, our museum, we have 5 sections. So, first section po nandito sa inyong harapan, which represents the marine heritage of Davao Oriental. So, ito siya, is a sperm whale. Balyena po yan siya. Hindi po yan siya dinosaur, Jurassic.
I'm so sorry.
Hindi po. Okay, so tinawag namin siyang Davor, shortcut, Davao Oriental. Kasi ito siya, dito yan siya namatay. Sa shoreline talaga ng Davao Oriental.
Ito totoong bones niya?
Yes po. Original na skeleton of a sperm whale. Year 2010 siya namatay. 20 metric tons at 53 feet length. Yeah. Then, 7th largest weight in the world on exhibit at pinaka-first yan sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. So, second section po yung ramp na yan na malaki. Akyat kayo sa taas. From highlands to islands po yan siya. Pwede nyo po yung maikot lahat. Third section po ito, cultural section. Ang nandyan po, ang pinaka-prominent na communities dito is Mandaya at saka Kagan o mga Islam o Davao Oriental. Second to the last section, yung room na yan. That's Typhoon Pablo Memorabilia. Typhoon Pablo, 2012, Yolanda, 2013. So, magkasunod sila. So, ang na-hit ni Typhoon Pablo is Boston, Katiel, and Baganga, Davao Oriental po. Last section po, yung room na yan, that's our products of Davao Oriental. Different products of Davao Oriental.
So dito sa Subangan Museum ay namasyal ang ating mga players at tinignan nila ang diversity and geography ng Davao Oriental. Hindi nila alam ito ang magiging susunod nilang prize match. So sino ang nag-observe, nag-take notes at talagang isinapuso ang pagpasok at pag-explore sa loob ng museum. Let's go.
Balyena po. Balyena po.
Hindi ka lang nag-pray kanina. I don't pray. Issue yan, issue. Pag-usapan na.
Ako naman, without any alliance or what, it makes sense na si Dirk na si Riano ang isave. Kasi si Dirk, isa na lang siya para...
Oo, may elbow na. Unless gusto mo kumuha, itatlo lang naman sa akin.
Oo nga, hindi ka mamamatay talaga sa game na
parang,
to.
pag tinanggalan si Chano, isa lang mawawala.
Isa lang, at least
si Chano,
isa lang
pwede pang mag-backfire sa'yo.
Si Dirk, isa lang.
Isa lang, shigs na.
Elbow. Actually, yun nga inuho po kay Sai kayo nung binigay ko sa kanya. Isa naman. Kasi ang swerte, ano lang siguro, ang pwede ko kasi ang swerte nila nung baraha. Swerte nila, be. Sila lang twice sila naging pair lang sila ni Dirk, tapos mayroong silang
partner. Sobrang swerte talaga nila. Sinalot pa nila kami nung nag-reject ako. Sobrang
first round
ikaw
pa lang
pinakamalas kasi dalawang buhay na wala.
Lahat talaga.
Marami pa pwede mo yan, mahaba pang game.
Any final words, Kyle?
I think the target was on me and I like the crowd.